I really didn't like how this turned out because you can see the black leather through the white beading. And I don't know if I was being lazy or just wanted to see something new. Anyway, I do not like looking at this, so I'm going to redo it. And my first step is going to be to remove all of these white beads. The E6000 glue it's a pretty strong adhesive, but luckily you can remove it from leather. So I'm going to take these off and show you what that looks like. And I just wanted to show you, you can peel the beads off just like this. I mean, obviously I don't recommend this, but because I want the other side to look how I want it to look and be a really finished, cute piece, I want both sides to look as beautiful as they can. So I'm going to take all these off and come back. I've removed all of the beads. This is what the back looks like. I've taped this off. This is what the front looks like that had all of the beads on it, and I just taped the sides so that I didn't get paint on anything because that's going to be my next step. Removing the beads was very tedious and difficult, and I don't recommend it. It ruined my nails and it took a really long time, but I'm glad that I did it because I think I'm going to be a little bit happier with the results this time around. So I'm going to paint a couple of coats of white paint onto the wristlet and show you what that looks like. This is the wristlet now that it's dried. And now I remember why I didn't want to paint it, because I thought that the wristlet would get stiff. But I didn't have that problem at all. The paint went on really well. And I think because Coach is such a high quality leather, it's still soft. It's still just like the other side. There's really nothing going on with how the leather feels with the paint on it. And this took a lot of coats of paint, I think, just again because of the quality of the leather. As you can see, there's still some patches in here, but it's white and that's what I wanted. I just wanted the background to be reflective of the color of the beads on the wristlet. So I'm going to cover this with beads now. I'm not going to show that part because I did make a whole video using the same concept with the beading. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do that, and then we'll get to the other side. This is the new and improved final result. I'm much happier with this. I added some 7mm black beads to bring out the dots a little bit more, and I painted it, and I just feel like this is a much more finished look. So thank you for joining me in this redo video. Hopefully I don't have to remix too many more bags, but I just think this looks so much better. And then a preview of the other side, and I will show you how I made this in the next video.